Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam Caniglione with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX Surf. You're going to absolutely love this boat. Sea Ray's done an amazing job of incorporating the luxury that Sea Ray offers, the smooth, quiet ride that Sea Ray offers, but also incorporate a fantastic surf package with a wave that is easily manipulated. You're absolutely going to love it. Why don't we start here in the back? I'm going to go through some of the features, but I want you to feel free to give us a call if you have any further questions or you'd like to get on board this baby in person. So in the back here, rear audio controls, charging ports everywhere because everybody's got a phone. We need to do that. Rear water wash down, 14 gallons of fresh water on board. So if the kids come back on board from the sandbar, nice and sandy, wash them down so you don't get that throughout the boat. Lots of seating. You're gonna love the sun pad. The headrest is easily adjustable, folds all the way flat. So if you wanna take a nap, you can do that. Multiple positions there. Fold down rear swim platform, makes everything easy to get on and off board. As you're coming through, you're gonna see a lot of storage on this boat also. This is a great area for your shoes as you're coming on. And now, my favorite part, the cockpit. There's so much seating in here. Everybody can be comfortable. You can fit, this is yacht certified boat, so you're gonna be able to fit as many people as you can make comfortable. Another favorite of mine is this storage area here. This is huge. It's deep, it's a long storage area. You can fit all your tubes, your toys, everything. From the tower perspective, you can see the Bimini shade covers a ton of space. So this can be folded up if you want to get more sun, but if not, lots of coverage. Easily adjustable surf racks here. These are going to fold in and out for storage. As we come a little bit further into the cockpit, you can see how easily the backrests are adjustable, so if you want a little bit more space, you have the ability to do that. Bolsters are going to adjust as well. The helm chair, the captain's chair, is easily maneuverable as well. Does come with a bolster. And now as we come, why don't we take a little look here at the helm itself, and we're going to take a look at our dual Simrad setup. So you've got two Simrads here, and this is where you're going to control that wave. So this is, again, we'll go through all of this during our walkthrough in person, but we'll show you how easy it is to manipulate the wave. No dead spots. You're going to love it. Lots of controls. Also with this, we have our trim tab system here on both sides to help out. Get a little bit deeper of a pocket if you'd like. And also your Mercury throttle here. So this does come with active trim. It's the smoothest throttle that you're going to be able to drive with in and out of gear. Another favorite here. So we've got our head compartment. Now you can see how much space we have. Obviously our vacuum flush head system with a sink, but this is also able to be covered. So if you or the little ones want to get out of the sun for a little bit, you've got plenty of space to do that. Extra storage under here. And then what the SDX lineup is really known for is this wide open deck. So lots of seating throughout, super comfortable. There's something for everybody on this boat for a day on the water, sandbar, surfing, tubing, water sports, whatever you'd like to do. And it's also going to look pretty sharp as you pull up to the restaurant at night. Well, I appreciate your time this afternoon. Again, my name is Adam Caniglione with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Come on out and see us. Thank you.